Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by securing your files and freeing locks so the repair can run cleanly. First, back up the Fivem folder and your GTAV install. This prevents loss if something fails. Once done, close Fivem and the Rockstar launcher. Use Task Manager to kill stuck RPF or TXT handles. Make sure you have 2 GB free and the latest Fivem installer downloaded. Now run the installer as admin so it can replace corrupted files without permission errors. That starts the actual repair step. You proceed with active file replacement and verification. This is the meat of repair. Run the Fivem installer and pick Repair or Reinstall. It will redownload missing packages. If the installer stalls, close it and manually delete the cache and CEF folders in Fivem, then rerun. That forces a fresh download. Next, check core files by comparing dates and sizes against a known good copy and replace any mismatches. Make sure your antivirus isn't quarantining files so the installer can write everything correctly. You finish by confirming the client runs and isolating remaining faults. Launch Fivem as administrator. Watch the console for error lines and write down any missing resources. Once you see an error, reinstall that mod or resource alone to check if it causes the crash. This isolates conflicts. If problems persist, verify your GTAV installation integrity through Rockstar or Steam so core game files aren't corrupted. One key troubleshooting tip. If random crashes continue, temporarily disable antivirus or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.